Hello friends, welcome to CyberCAD Solutions. In this session, I would like to explain how to prepare isometric drawings in AutoCAD. Let us try to understand what is an isometric drawing first of all. Isometric drawing means like it is nothing but a 2D drawing only, which is a flat representation of a 3D isometric projection. You can see an isometric drawing over here, which is nothing but a 2D drawing but looks like it is a 3D object. Now, to prepare isometric drawings in AutoCAD, we have a command called isodraft which will facilitate to change isometric planes which we call as isoplanes from left, right and top. While preparing isometric drawings in AutoCAD, we will be using three different planes. Let us see what are all those. The first one is the right plane, and the second one is the left plane, and the third one is the top plane. Actually, they appear like right plane, left plane, top plane. But actually this is a 2D drawing finally. But still there is a facility in AutoCAD where we can change our cursor style to right plane, left plane and top plane so that whatever we are drawing on right side plane we can draw using right plane. Similarly, we can use left plane to draw left things and top plane for drawing things on top side. So let us use this command and try to change the isoplane. So we can also use snap style command. Okay, let us try to use ISO draft command. ISO draft command can also be activated from taskbar by clicking this button. If you come on to the right side of this button, there is a small arrow. If you click on this, you can see ISO plane left, top and right. The same can also be activated using ISO draft command. ISO draft. See, you have different options like orthographic, isoplane left, isoplane top and isoplane right. If you observe these planes, I am just clicking on the left plane. See, our cursor has been changed to left plane. Similarly, I am activating the same command once again and taking the right plane. If you see, the cursor comes on to the right side. Actually, these isometric planes have three different angles which are nothing but 30, 90, 150. Let us switch off ISO draft and try to draw a line like this, and let us see what are the different angles that are used in isometric drawings. So I am taking dim angle command. Here the angle between these two edges is 30 degrees and between these two is 90 and between these two lines is 150. So 30, 90, 150, these are the different angles which we generally use while we prepare isometric drawings. Let us see how do we use. On the right plane we will be using 30 degrees and 90 degrees, and on the left plane we will be using 90 degrees and 150 degrees, and on the top plane we will be using again 30 degrees and 150 degrees. So using these different angles we will be creating different objects on left plane, right plane and top plane. Now let us go and activate one of the plane. I am switching on ISO draft and taking ISO right plane. Let us try to prepare the same cube once again over here. So I am taking line command and clicking like this and dragging towards right side. I am providing say 20 units. Okay. Now again I am taking line command and moving my cursor towards upside and providing 20 units. Similarly from this side also again 20 units and draw another line like this. Now to prepare the left side plane we need to change our ISO plane to left plane. Now again take line command and I am dragging my cursor towards left side and providing 20 units and again moving upside and providing 20 units and bring it back to close. Now we need to change our snap style to top. So let's go over here and click on top. Okay, you can also use F5 function key. I am clicking on F5 function key. You can observe on the command prompt now it is on right. You can keep clicking like that so that it will shuffle between left, right and top. I'm just clicking, you can see that one. If I click on once it is on right, now it has gone to left. Again I'm clicking F5 function key, now it is coming to top. Now anyway we need to draw on top, so I'm leaving it as it is. You can also use F5 function key to change ISO planes rather than using this option over here on taskbar. There are different ways, you can use any of them. You can use ISO draft command or you can change over here required isoplane, or you can also use F5 function key. Now again I am taking line command, clicking over here and moving left side and providing 20 units and closing here. Now we need to create circles on left, right and top. Here circle command is not used in isometric drawings. We have a different option called ISO circle which is available in ellipse command. To create circles in isometric drawings, we won't use circle command but we will use ellipse command. In ellipse command, we will get iso circle option when only the cursor is in isometric style. See, I am giving ellipse command. So in that you can see ISO circle. If you switch off this isometric style, I am switching off the isometric style. Now cursor has come to normal 2D style. So now if you take ellipse command, in that you can't see that iso circle option. You can see only arc and center. But if you switch on this isometric snap style, you can see the iso circle option. See, ellipse command is having an iso circle option. Okay, let us try ISO circle command. So I am taking ellipse command again. I am taking ISO circle option, and to get the middle point between these two middles, I am taking shift right click, and this object snap menu will come up, and in that I am taking mid between 2 points, and the middle points are this middle and this middle, so that I will get the middle between middle. So I am giving diameter of 10 units. You can see a circle has come. Similarly, to draw on right side, we need to change our isoplane to right and take ellipse command again and click ISO circle option and shift right click and take shortcut object snap menu. In that, take middle between 2 points and click two middles so that you will get the middle between two middles, and take the diameter option and provide 10 as diameter. Now again change our isometric style to left side and take again ellipse command and ISO circle, and then shift right click middle between 2 points, middle and provide diameter as 10. So like that we will be using left plane, right plane and top plane to prepare an isometric drawing. Okay, on the right side you can see a small isometric drawing is available. Let us try to draw this drawing and try to understand how to prepare isometric drawings clearly. So let me erase all these things. Hope you might have come to a certain idea. Now let us try to prepare this drawing. So I am starting on the here on this corner. So let me take line command first of all, and I am preparing the left plane, this one 72 by 34 first of all. So take line command and taking say like this 72 units first of all, and to the top side I am giving 34 again and back again 72, and then close this so that left plane is ready. Now if you observe here, from here to here it has been given as 70 units, and from over there to here it has given 20 units. So let us come to right plane once again and take right plane and take line command, and I am going this way and I am providing 70 units because you can see 70 units from here to here. So I am giving 70, and to the downside again 20 units. Okay, and then finish it over there, and we will come back to there later. Again I am starting over here and 15 units towards right side, and towards upside 18 units. Okay, and towards right side here if you observe it is 55 minus 15 which is equal to 40 units. The segment of this line length will be 40 units. So I am giving 40, and to downside again 18 units. From this corner to the center of this line it has been given 110 units. So let us take a line from here and give 110 units. We will trim it later and trim from here to this. So we have got this line, and if you observe it is 34 units and 20 units after coming up from top to bottom. Again remaining will be 14 units over here. So here from here to the top we need to go 14 units. Okay, so take line command, take 14 units and come back and connect to this. So we have got that one, and again here copy this line from here to here, and again copy this line from here to here so that the top one is finished. Again to get the center line from middle to middle, draw a line. If you observe here there is a circle with 26 units. So to draw circles, we have already seen use ellipse command. Use ellipse command, take isocircle option and click on the middle and take, but we forget one thing, we need to change into top plane. So go over here and take top plane. So cursor has been changed, you can observe the circle shape has been changed after changing ISO plane. Now we have already taken diameter option and provide the diameter as 26 units. So we have got that one, and I am erasing this reference line. And if you see, there is another bottom circle also we can see, which would be at maybe of this level. The thickness of this top plate would be 34 minus 18. So we need to copy the top circle to bottom side to that distance. So 34 minus 18 would be 16 units. Okay, let us try to copy this and click and drag, go to left plane again because we need to copy to the left plane. Okay, so how many units? 16 units we need to copy it down, and then trim the outside part, only inner part, when inner side circle will be visible. Now again I am copying this from here to here, and you can trim on that side, and again take a line from here to here and a circle, the same circle we can copy from here to the middle of this line. And now we need to draw a circle from here to here. So I am taking ellipse command, take ISO circle, and then center will be the center of the same circle, and we need to come on to the top plane again. We are always forgetting to change the plane relatively, and I am clicking over here. Now take trim command, between these two lines we need to trim this part so that it has been finished. Now we need to copy this circle from here to here, and take a line from this quadrant to 14 units upwards, but we need to come into right plane and take 14 units. Okay, and trim the inner part which is not necessary, and even this line is also not necessary. And we have a circle at the bottom also over here, so we need to copy that 14 units downwards. As we are in right plane, make sure that we are in right plane, already we are on ISO right plane. So copy the circle, pick the center, and towards the downside provide 14 units, which is the thickness of this part, and then trim the outside circle part. Okay, so if you observe, this is the object which is shown in this image. So what are all the different commands which we have used preparing this drawing? The first one is isodraft, and the second one is ellipse command. So we need to use ellipse command. In ellipse we need to use iso circle option, so that we can create a hole like thing, hole like representation of a 3D object. Okay friends, hope you understood how to prepare isometric drawings in AutoCAD. Friends, hope you understood how to prepare isometric drawings in AutoCAD. We will be using three different commands only. The first one is isodraft, the second one is snap style. So here also, if you set 1, it is isometric style. If you set it to 0, it is orthographic style. We didn't use this one because iso draft command will take care of all these things in the background. So two things we will be using in preparing isometric drawings. One is isodraft, second one is to create hole like things, I mean to create arcs and circles. We will be using iso circle option, which is only available when our cursor is in isometric mode. To get back to normal mode, simply switch off this one, ISO draft facility. You just click on this, or otherwise you can go to ISO draft command and you can take orthographic option as well. So this is how preparing isometric drawings in AutoCAD. Friends, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and share this video to your friends. Thanks for watching and welcome to the next session.